close.
happening. And as you pan over
See,
to
now
the
you
other
don't want to
side,
get him.
Buddy, you gotta move out
you're
of
in the
way.
war zone. You're gonna get attacked. Run away! Follow him.
Oh.
That was a fail.
Stare that way.
You
Follow
keep
the
getting
ball.
the same one.
It's too funny.
This is a special breed.
What? I hit him in the head right there.
Did you?
Yes.
Didn't phase him.
Whoa. Right around.
Skeeter.
Oh, if you get that second one.
Funny.
Oh my god! I can't believe this!
He's doing it.
This is freaky every single
I
time.
know. We're gonna have a ball with this game, Mom. I said, get a couple drinks in us. We have a hoot.
Oh, now they're playing. Of course they are.
That was wonderful.
I know, right?
Whoa! Cool.
Yeah. Oh.
I can't. I can't believe that I'm even getting these. I think it's David and Leanne's. Yes. You guys want to
Oh, I'm fine. I'm just watching.
Yeah, you want to play? Sure.
Here, because I have to go pee.
Shoot.
Here. I have to
Oh,
go pee.
Mom's not playing.
I have to pee.
Okay. I'll play a couple more. I gotta go do my laundry at some point.
Skeeter face.
Yeah.
He's trying to get the balls now. Give it to me.
Oh, what? It's always that first one that you like, you don't know, right?
You overestimate it.
That one too. Oh, I was gonna say, or a third time. I was already did. Forget.
Poor turtles are done for.
They get hit. Oh well.
No, I'm not
Oh,
gonna hit
no.
So what's this one?
Oh, oh. Go, 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 go!
We could make a beanbag toss.